May God's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you. Today's episode is 100% free, with no final capital. Not only is the work on the site easy, there is almost no work on the site. I mean, what you do on the site is easier than easy. Frankly speaking, you will be sure of this as we explain together in detail so that it won't be long for you to go to the site, and you will find the site link in the video description. Let's go. Welcome, guys. This is the site we'll discuss today. You'll find the link in the video description. Fill in your name, email, and select your gender. Right here is for additional information. Your password, and here you will type the password a second time. You will learn that I am not a robot, and after that, you will go to register an account. Very excellent, guys. The first time you register an account, the page opens with you in this way, and the first time you register, you have $5 in your hands, meaning you have $5 in your account, just what you are. I registered from the link in the description. The minimum amount to withdraw profits is $80. So you will reach them in what amount? You can reach them, for example, within 3 or 4 days a week, which means 80 per week. This is the one who wrote the site, and the one who said the site says, okay, what is the way to work on the site? The work on the site is a list of 2 or 3 things: evaluating products, making offers, inviting friends. These are 3 things. What does it mean to evaluate products? First, you have something here called level 1. You are at the first level, here you have the second level, and here you have the third level. What does it mean to evaluate the products or evaluate the logo? Here you have a logo. You have a logo and it tells you to rate this logo. You start choosing and evaluating the logo. It's good. I don't know what. No, it's not good. You choose any rating and click on completion. I have how much? Just click on completion. I evaluated the first logo. Click on next. I have 5 cents left. That's why I told you the issue is worrying. Is it true or not? How did the people who withdrew this withdraw it? I don't know how to be sure. I will confirm with you in this video from the site, and God willing, we will make a second episode about it and tell you whether this site pays or no. Okay, guys, a second logo appears in front of you. You will evaluate any evaluation and click on complete next. Of course, you have a certain number in the first level. I mean, in order to fear the second level, a guy tells you that in order to reach the second level, you must have a balance of $6.5. This means that you have $6.5 in your account. To work on a third level job, you must have 3 referrals. I am still here at the first level, and all I did was choose any evaluation of the logo and click on next. I am surprised and more inclined that the site does not pay, or that means the site is not honest. Well, why should we even open the site as long as it is not honest? What do you benefit from when I enter the site? There are no ads that appear so you can earn from them. There is no money you take to tell us that you will win, or there is anything you benefit from as a good site like this. He tells me that you have finished the money or finished the evaluations for the first level, and I have it. $6.48. So I have to wait here for 7 hours for the second evaluations to come to me, and I start to continue and reach $6.50 so that I can go to the second level. This will happen after 7 hours, but I will explain to you the rest of these things until this time comes back, and we will continue with some steps, of course. You have the language here, the English language, and you also have the Arabic language. Quick earn, and this is the second thing, which is the offers. Guys, you get here, for example, 3 or 4 offers. You start doing these offers, and through them you earn money. For example, this offer is about an opinion poll. You will step on the opinion poll and start answering the questions in it, and he adds money to you here. He tells you that you will earn from $2 to $20. At the second level, of course, we will not be able to worry about it unless we have $6.50. And the third level is the same story, guys. I must have 3 referrals for anything you have, so the referrals are here, guys. You will find your referral link in this place. Copy link, you start sharing it with friends, and there is something here called a video bonus, and this is a phrase that tells you that if you make a video, and we put the link here, you will earn with us from $5 to $200. From $5 to $200, I will also try this topic. I will not publish the video for 2 or 3 days. I will take the link to the video and start putting it on the site and see what might happen. I will convey to you the entire experience. If I actually took money from the site and the withdrawal was made, I will use it as a prize, God willing, because you are partners with me in trying this site. Okay, guys, give me my account. My account currently has $12.92 points. It opened with me on level 2, and I also finished the things on it, or the tasks on it. In order to withdraw from the site, because I am working on level, I must have referrals, and in order to withdraw from the site, as I told you, I have $80, and when my friend or the content creator came to withdraw $80, he already had $80. He said, I don't know how much profit you have from referrals and evaluations, so we will attempt the site together, and as I told you so, whatever the profit is, it turns out that the site pays profits, so I will organize a competition for you with this amount, and we will make a second video and tell you that the site here has remained honest. Here's how I can fingerprint a site with 10, unsure if it's accurate. People claim we gather evidence of withdrawal and write the site's name for verification. Some choose not to withdraw for a specific reason. I do not know what. Maybe the one who does not know how to withdraw has problems or something is wrong with me, so here I am, okay with everything. I am waiting for you guys to register on the site and work on the site so that I can get referrals, and I will start seeing if the site is really good. Is the site paying? And I will start conveying the experience to you. You also sent me the site as I told you so. The link to the video is 2 or 3 days after it comes out. I will put the link here and click on confirm. Accordingly, we will tell our entire experience in a second video. God willing, I told you everything in the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. People who would prefer to write to me. This site is not good. We tried it. Why are you wondering? You don't know what I am talking about. From the beginning of the video, I don't know the site. The first time I saw the site, I tried it. Many people told me to explain it to many people. She said, I pulled it. A lot of people said, I don't like it. I know where is right from wrong. I'm trying it myself. I know that some find the website trustworthy and of high quality. Others disagree and advise against using it. Leave any questions for me, the comments. I will see you, God willing, in a new episode. Thank you.